Okay, there we go. Thank you. Let's get the randomization on the board. And here it is. All right.
Make sure if you're facing the rover, you put it on the right side. Good.
No, we have one more. Alrighty, crew. This is it. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
And Team 776 immediately goes for it.
10565 has made it out from the center area. 750 still latched on. I believe. Alright, that's alright.
Team 3058 definitely still over there.
On the right side, 750 move. That's always a big feat, moving.
Quite is.
Driver, pick up your controller.
We'll talk about it later.
3, 2, 1.
And that marks the start. Oh, good drive.
And we're off to the race. It seems 3058 immediately comes out trying to make up for the time that they lost.
750 unlatches. Let's see what you can do, guys.
Team 7776 trying to maneuver around and steal their opponents.
Whoa, that was aggressive, but they did get. Oh. Our Patriot appears to be falling over.
Team 305 might be needing to play defense here. So 10565 tries to attack.
750's main goal is to just secure their depot and to get their minerals.
Seems like people on the blue team are consistently aggressive.
I think that's a biasy. Just all fun and games.
776 trying to get those minerals in there.
Wow, that is, look at that. With 10565 getting their minerals in. Will they get the ball in?
10565 seems a blinding speed.
They will. That's pretty baller. .750 moving on the outer edge of the red side. They appear to be attempting to climb into the crater, but can they make it?
It seems that 7776 is trying to steal their minerals. Oh no! Succeeding.
How are they going to deal on the defense? Oh, that is in-game phase. 10565. Latching on.
To the bitter end, 776 trying to play defense on the zone.
Never forgetting Mom Spaghetti.
750 getting pushed around.
3058
and pinged.
Getting on. Oh, 10565 latches on and they are off the floor. 2 seconds left. And that's endgame, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations.
Winner's blue team. And with 113 points, seems like something had to happen to make that go a long way. Could it be the latch? And it seems, with the point system, it is with 65 points in the end game. That must have counted a long way.